Alright guys, today I'm gonna do some photography. Some professional animal company photography. So first thing we're gonna do. Okay.
How'd you get in there?
Go there. Alright, I'm gonna make it dark, so okay, now that it's dark, I'm gonna take this back.
My head says that too. My head says that too, Uncle.
And get out my professional lighting materials.
Bruh.
Take this.
That was a map. I found out.
Okay, now I'm gonna take a photo.
This trick actually sucks.
I'll take the bag. Gather my materials. After taking some photos. I'm gonna go get one last. Actually, nah. We'll get a few. Okay, yeah. So, get a photo.
Wait.
Go over here.
Yo, I might have just had a brilliant idea. Get a butt.
Alright. Well, you can use the
have
haunted
a good
house key
idea.
for a better lighting.
Oh my gosh, I would love it if my police stopped flipping around. I have an idea. Quick photo. Don't you still have a haunted house key? That's kind of cool looking, actually. That photo there?
You're right. Take it from like right here, from like right where I'm standing. It'll look cooler.
Yo, Remy. Yeah? Remy, don't you still have a haunted house key?
Oh yeah, that looks pretty
Oh yeah,
nice.
you lost it.
Alright. Hold up, I gotta gather all my lighting. Get this.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Alright, take a few more photos that I'm not gonna add in the thing. That I'm not gonna add in the
Remy,
video.
do you know the
Show you guys all the
strategy?
finished products. I'm gonna add it in stuff, you know. Do some,
Don't know him. He's
here's
a
the
rando. He's